crap. We just missed it, you guys. And oh, it was so bright. You can kind of see the remnants. But that, my friends, that is a rainbow outside my beautiful window. Hello, Huckleberries, and welcome to another apartment tour. I swear I just filmed an apartment tour. For those of you who did not watch my little life update recently, yeah, I moved. I actually moved on New Year's Eve. Just down the hallway, I was living in a closet, almost literally, and a one-bedroom opened up right next door, and I decided, let's live a normal existence and have a normal house. I'm quite happy here. Right off the bat, no, this place is not aesthetically what I would like. This is definitely like a great little starter apartment. It's also really dark, so I'm actually starting to film out on my little porch, you could call it. I'm not really sure what to call it, but it has these beautiful windows overlooking the mountains of Honolulu. This is really the reason why I moved to this neighborhood, and it's the reason why I moved into this apartment was this magnificent view, and I get a beautiful amount of breeze through these windows, so I basically always have the doors open to this little outdoor area. But I think I'm gonna take you guys into the little dungeon of my apartment and show you the full tour, and then we will end back out here. So let's go. Oh, see? Where am I? Hello? Oh no. Okay, there we go. Hi. This is my front door, and literally you can open this door, take a sharp right, and you will be at my first room. So literally I just moved a few steps away. So this is my little entryway, and you can see I have some shelves here. Oh, another little disclaimer. I don't frill up my place for you guys. This is a very realistic presentation of the way that I live. Yes, there were a few like dead bugs and stuff, and I did clean those up for you guys, you're welcome. But like the general clutter that is my life, this is all real. So this is my little entryway, little shelves. I purchased some drawers that I have like socks, underwear, workout clothes, and then I keep my work clothes on top because I touch those all the time. It's like the only place I go these days. I got my little moped helmet. Normally that's not in here, but it is today. Shoes are under here. And then immediately to our right, we have my bathroom. So let's walk into the bathroom here. As you can see, some nice big mirrors that I really enjoy. We've got a place to hang some towels and a shower. It's a very quirky little shower in here. I love the super tall ceilings in here. Yeah, it's a very comfy little place. This is where I do a lot of my Instagramming. I am dead serious. Okay, let's go out into the hall. So here we have the main hallway, I guess. This is where I hang all of my clothes. There are two closets, but you can't keep both of the doors open at the same time, so I just use one side because I don't own that many things. And then we enter into my kitchen. This apartment in general doesn't have as many cockroaches as, say, like the hut did back on the Big Island, my little tiny house that I lived in. But there are cockroaches here, so I am taking some precautions with storing everything. But I really haven't used the kitchen a whole lot. Like, I just went grocery shopping for the first time. So here we have a medium-sized fridge, as you can see, very nice. And I purchased a large bin to store my food in, a little island in the center. And then behind me, as you can see, we have our main living space. So let's head this way, friends. Here we have my office. You can see this is just a really skinny counter. And then behind me, I have a huge table. And you might think, Holly, why would you set up on the skinny thing instead of the table? My favorite part about this place was the view, and it's a very dark apartment, so I wanted to be able to see the sunlight and see the view. And when I'm sitting in this chair, I have my computer here, and then I have the beautiful view behind me that you can't really see right now. And then I can store things behind me, and I just wheel over here, grab my stuff, and then I get to keep all that clutter that I love to just have around. I get to keep that clutter behind me, and then my workspace is nice and organized all the time, most of the time. One major purchase that it was like $20, but I bought this chair, and it's just a basic swivel chair from Target, and it was such a pain to build. But this place came furnished, and I'm not a fan of really any of the furniture, but especially the chairs. They were the same chairs that I had in my last place. Absolutely hated. So I have them stored away, and I bought this swivel chair, and it was totally worth it. So yeah, this is like the office area. Then you come over here down this like weird hallway, and in here is the bedroom. And I actually don't use this room, but if I ever have a guest come and stay with me, I have a nice twin size bed. But right now I just have storage and stuff. And there's a cool little mirror wall, I guess. Yeah, it's a weird place where I live. This is very weird. Let's go into the living room and where I sleep actually. So behind me we have a little sectional couch. It came with this sheet, so I just decided to use it because I liked it more than the checkered. And then I have my little travel blanket over here just to make it like a little extra cozy. So I know it doesn't look very cute. Nothing really does in this place, but I am very happy and comfortable here. One of my favorite things about this place, this huge TV, and it's a Roku TV, so I can set up my Netflix and Hulu and Amazon, and I watch YouTube on here. So it's really awesome to just come and chill on the couch, eat some grub at, you know, the end of the day, and watch a show or something. And this is where I finished up taking out my dreadlocks, so lots of hangout time over on that couch area. Next to the couch, or I suppose on the opposite wall, is my bed. And this was, you know, obviously more of a day bed, but again, I moved here because of this gorgeous view, and I wanted to wake up looking at that every single day. And truly, it brings me so much joy and happiness to wake up and see the beautiful mountains and the trees and the green, and to listen to the birds and to feel the breeze. I love it. So I decided to use this little day bed as my main bed, and I bought some bedding for it this time. So I have new sheets, and I got this super soft blanket, all from Target, of course. And we have little Miss Chris, the Christmas bear, hanging out, and this beautiful sparkly pillow that my mom bought me that I really love. And I love this bed. Again, it's right across from the TV, so sometimes I'll fall asleep. Well, I never fall asleep watching TV, but it's nice to wind down, and eventually I move into the bed, watch, you know, one little episode. Right now I'm watching The Office, which honestly, I am not a fan. This is my first time watching The Office, and you know, with the dreadlocks, I just needed something mindless that I could watch for hours on end, and yeah, I picked The Office, but I'm not really a fan. I don't really find it that funny. Sidebar over. That's what I should watch. I should watch How I Met Your Mother. Great show. And then yes, we come out here into my deck again, and I have my ring light on, and I have this quirky little table here and a bench. And again, I did rearrange the furniture when I moved here and took away some chairs and stuff. So sometimes I will come and sit on this bench and I will journal or just look out over the mountains because the view is insane. Oh, and another little quirky thing behind me, we have a little indoor garden situation. Again, not my taste. This place is just full of quirk. I completely forgot. I have to show you guys one more thing. Back into the darkness. Here we go. Yes, this place came with just tons of decorations. I have tucked away as many decorative items as I could manage. There is some creepy stuff in here. Behind me, we have this little shelf. It's like right above my computer, so when I'm sitting here, I never even notice it, so it's really not like a problem. But as you can see, we have some kind of like creepy items, like this red rocking chair and this porcelain doll. I'm like kind of a skeptic, but I'm honestly just too afraid to move those things. I'm just gonna like let them be. But in general, no, I haven't been uncomfortable in this home. Love getting a nice workspace, and I still get to look at nature, and I get to walk out of my door every day and be surrounded by the mountains. So the fact that I live like a 20-minute drive outside of the city and I get to be surrounded by nature is just more than I could have ever asked for. When I was apartment hunting, everywhere I looked, it was just like parking lots everywhere and traffic sounds, and here it is not that. So yes, I would prefer white walls and windows, but I'm gonna take this little dungeon and make it my own for now. So pretty great. So I've been talking for a long time. I'm actually gonna go get my haircut today. I'm filming a few videos today, so I don't know which one you're gonna see first, but I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this casual tour of my new apartment. As I've mentioned many times already, I really do enjoy living here, and it's quirky, but that's kind of like part of the adventure, you know? Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have an idea what we could call the porcelain doll, we could name her in the comment section. Okay, I will see you guys really soon with another... Alright, I will see you all really soon with another video. In the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well. I love you guys so much. Peace.